They're taking Echo. But there's only so much I can do.
I understand.
There's a tank here, there's a tank here, there's a tank here, there's a tank here.
It's right there.
Yes.
Alright, there's one person in your spot.
I got him! He was right in front of the tank!
As I say that! Oh, no, there's another person. Don't know where, but there's one other person. So they might have us. Got him!
We have taken objective Fox.
Fuck you!
Alright, where are we headed?
Fuck you very, very much. Man, in.
Fuck you.
I'm in.
Fuck you very, very much. Get out my fucking way. I keep forgetting I have limited ammo to not just throw it away. Okay.
We must fight harder. We are losing this.
Oh, right there. On the beach side, there's a medic.
I can't see each side. This is how you use a tank.
Alright, bro. Instead of just shooting at random objects, keep your fucking eyes open!
I was gonna say that wasn't me.
Not you. That's why I said, instead of shooting at random objects, keep your motherfucking eyes open. The medic that I was coming for,
Oh, there's a dude on the stairs. We should just turn.
I got him. Alright, just if you see people, all right there.
I see something. I see him. I don't know if I can. Somebody else got him. Very much. Sad.
Oh, behind us. Enemy tank!
I can't do much about a tank. Oh, it came in, dude.
I was just letting you know there's an enemy tank. That's how you fucking use a tank, ladies and gentlemen. Just saying. Good front gunner that'll let you know, dude on the stairs. I just turned back over and you blew him away. Fucking great job. Amazing. That's how you use a tank. If we had infantry support, unfucking beatable. Unbeatable.
Sure.
I was literally like, give me a tank. As soon as I got into the tank and I looked down, I'm like, oh, person. Boom.
Kaboom.
I think
I was 8 and 8.
I think he was going for, I have no idea what I was. Horrible. I did garbage.
5 and 6.
Oh, I caught back up to myself. Almost. Within one there for a while, I was doing bad.
Alright, my computer's being fucking stupid, and like the internet just.
I'm telling you, you give me a tank at Fox right off the rip with 4 people, 1 inside, me, and then 3 on the outside, or 2 on the outside, I will hold Fox that entire fucking game. You've seen it.
Yeah.
But I never get the tank. Every time people get the tank and they charge the ships. And the ships have everything they need to destroy you. 4 tanks, mainly.
Yeah, I know that.
I know you know, but the viewers don't know. Come on. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, hello and welcome.
I can't hear, or I can't see anybody's chats.
Because nobody comments, that's why.
Ew, why is my chat yellow? Black. It's not letting me. It's not letting me.
It's like a orangey red on mine.
I'm frozen?
Capture and hold the objectives.
Where's the Pokemon?
Oh, here we go. Fuck you.
I'm
Fuck
headed
you
to
very,
Alpha.
very much.
Like,
What?
I mean, like I said, my computer went stupid on me, so I'm using my phone, so I have to tap my screen to see if anybody's viewing at the moment. So
I gotcha.
turning my laptop back on.
It doesn't tell me if you're viewing or your views. I'm
Number at the bottom.
going for Bravo. We're still on the bad team.
I figured as much.
I mean, we were doing pretty good towards the end of that game. Because eventually there will be a flip. Eventually. Alright, well, I'm no longer going there.
I was gonna say, like, I was already, it's like, catch.
I was almost there, and then I marked, come on.
I was almost there too.
And then I marked a tree, and then a random spot. And oh my god, our team is garbage. We took 2 points in the time it took them to take 5. Says the guy running. How did they take? Oh, they used the boats.
Which I just drew. Just got on the land. Oh, come on.
I don't even want to take Delta anymore.
Oh, shit.
We're the only 2 here.
Oh, shit. There's a tanky through there.
Yeah, there's. You get 2 tanks once you take this point. And there's a Jeep here.
Headed to Charlie.
Well, yeah, it's the easiest. And all the doors are closed.
Ah, I'm dead. Come on, Peter. Right. My computer fucking froze. Alright, that's all done.
I'm in like little tunnels at Delta.
I know, I see it. Come on, jump up.
Oh, clutch kill! I am about to die, just so everybody's tracking.
Oh, that was not you that I spawned on then, that was somebody else.
I love it when they just stop running. I love it. It's so nice.
Fuck! Just trying to get the dude in the fucking,
I know.
Yeah,
Fuck!
I got a couple hits on him.
Oh, they came up behind me. Like I said, only 2 of us or 3 of us here, and it's really fucking easy to kill us, guys. No. I guarantee you, when I
At
die.
Fox.
What?
I said a boat at Fox, I hopped in it.
Alright, I'm going to you.
Or it's at Echo.
That's
Never mind,
fine.
my bad.
It's fine. Their whole team's at Delta, so this should be an easy take.
Yeah, so yeah, that's what I said. That's why I hopped in the boat and jumped the fuck out.
Our team's starting to not be stupid.
Yeah.
Attention, we no longer have control of Objective Baker.
Yeah, they took Alpha. They take Bravo.
We have established control at Objective.
It's like our entire team are snipers. I'm going for golf.
There's a. Okay, that's where I said it. Shit.
What?
We're trying to.
I'm dead. They have a
Die!
tank at golf. Well,
Yep.
in between golf and
It's
Foxtrot.
like right in between. Yeah, it's right in between golf.
Oh, I know. Oh, look at that. We have no points. We have a tank at Alpha, but the enemy's still taking Alpha. You guys are such
We have
garbage.
Echo.
We have a tank plus a whole bunch of people at Charlie that were taken. Thank God. Where did you spawn?
I haven't spawned yet. Where do you want to go?
Charlie wants to
You can go
take
to
it.
Echo. Okay.
Echo and well, they have a tank that's at golf. Yeah, Echo.
Okay.
Fuck it, Echo.
Our
Alright.
forces now control Objective Charlie.
It's way on the other fucking side. Alright, I see this tank. I just gotta figure out how the fuck to get over there with without dying.
Well,
Alright,
the tank doesn't even have anybody in it.
Well, there's people here at Echo now.
Where?
I don't. Okay, never mind. They be get it gone.
Oh, right there. I see him. Delta side.
Okay.
I just saw when he peeked.
Is he like hiding in the bushes?
No, he's running in between these two buildings over here. He might be
Okay.
dead by now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hiding in the bushes.
Alright. Somebody is shooting. We are. Looks like we're taking golf.
Yeah, we're taking off.
Alright. Oh shit, shit. Fuck, I'm dead. Yeah, he's just running all over.
Where were you?
Like Delta side? Somewhere around in that area?
Alright. There's enemy soldiers here. I don't know where the fuck they are.
I don't know either. Like, he was kind of like in the middle of like Delta side. Like Delta and Echo. Alright, I spawned on
Alright,
you.
there they are. Alright. There's one in this building right here.
Alright.
He's in that building. Oh, another camper. Yeah, you saw the one. There's one right there, Lace.
Oh shit, I'm dead. There's another one right where we got the first one. He's hiding in the. Oh, there's two of them hiding in the bushes.
I can't see him.
They're just
They
walking
all
back and
crawled
forth.
up.
Yeah,
They did
they're-
exactly what I was doing.
Yeah.
I wish you would have shot that one guy that was crawling. The dude in the building was the spawn point. That's why I was like, wait, let me blow up. Well, I didn't say wait. I was like, let me blow up this building. All right, what is this guy? What is he doing? Hunger strike. All right, he's at Delta. I'm
Hunger
going in.
shark. Alright.
Damn!
Oh shit, I'm dead. Fuck.
I'm dead too. We had a good thing going. I did get a kill. They got golf back, and they got Echo back. This other team is good.
Someone get me out of here!
Yeah, this hunger shark dude could revive me, but he doesn't want to.
I'm trying to spawn on him, but
He's in. Okay.
I spawned on Hunger
I
Strike.
spawned on him.
We both dip. Thanks, Hunger Strike. And we leave.
Never a moment's rest.
Alright,
your
just
head.
fucking throw that shit. I know they're like all over the fucking place over here, so that doesn't fucking help at all. Oh shit, he just got blown the
Objective
fuck.
Baker is under our control.
Shit, I only got one of those. I'm kind of open here.
We got a tank up here, though.
God damn it, how did it get me one shot?
God damn it. How does he have two different types of anti-tank weapons? Get in that tank, asshole!
I don't know. Ah, shit, I can't spawn on you. Oh no. No, son of a bitch. I accidentally spawned at Bravo.
Alright, I need people to save me here.
Alright, I'm trying to get my ass back over there. 'Cause I accidentally
Our
spawned at
forces now
Bravo.
control